Barcelona left one of their players in South Korea. They were there for pre-season, played against some random Squid Game teams, and absolutely destroyed them. The squad even filmed with some South Korean celebrities. Yamal even filmed Koundé dancing on camera. Then it was time to head back to Spain. Everyone had their bags on the airplane. But when they landed, they realized they'd forgotten Andreas Christensen in South Korea. Barcelona immediately booked him a flight back to Spain just in time for the upcoming season.